Halo guys, jadi hari ini kita mau ke drive-thru-nya Rite Aid. Rite Aid itu farmasi di mana kita bisa tes COVID-19. Mulai hari Senin kemarin ya, udah bisa tes kan. Dan harganya itu nggak bayar ya, free ya. Menurut kamu kenapa bisa free sih?
Ini non-profit organization.
Oh, yang
provide.
Yang provide itu non-profit organization.
So it's not by government. Di-provide sama non-profit organization, di-support by Rite Aid.
Tapi kalau misalnya bisa kayak gitu, berarti supply-nya udah ada ya?
Iya, atau mereka punya tesnya mereka sendiri. Mereka develop their own testing.
Oh, bisa ya?
Bisa
Swab
dong.
gitu ya?
That's what South Korea did.
Oh, jadi mereka nggak usah nunggu sampai yang mana bisa supply, they just create their own.
Right.
Go ahead and grab the swabs in the vials.
Okay.
They're gonna have your name on the vial, so just match it up. Why do I smell real? Oh, I do smell it.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you some instructions, then you'll close the window to do the test.
Okay.
What you'll do with the swab, you'll put it in your nostril about 1 inch to 1.5 inches up. You gotta go till you get the urge to sneeze or even tear up a little bit, okay? That's perfectly normal. You're gonna swab it twice, leave it in for 15 seconds. Take it out and do the same thing on the other side, alright? So swab twice, 15 seconds, both nostrils. After you're done, break the swab about 2 inches from the cotton. You're gonna break it apart, and then you're gonna put the cotton part into the vial, cotton going down, okay?
Okay.
Cotton in the water area.
And then close it.
Yep, close it up, I'll take it back.
What if we actually sneeze?
What's that?
What if we actually sneeze?
Just sneeze on the stick.
Just sneeze.
Aim for the cotton.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, leave it in there if you can. But
Okay.
you can take it out and sneeze and then put it back.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. You close your window.
Alright, thank you. Oke guys, jadi ini dibuka. Terus diiniin. Diputar. Ya. Diemin 15 detik. Break it. Along with this?
Yeah, you can put everything in here.
Thank you
You'll
so
get
much.
your Results, 1 to 6 days via email, okay?
Alright, thank you. Have a good one. Take care.
Thank you.
Oke guys, aduh hidungnya. Dan sekarang gimana kamu perasaannya? Seneng nggak? Udah
Biasa aja.
biasa aja, kenapa? Jadi kapan resultnya bakal dikasih?
1 to 6 days.
Oke, in the email ya?
Iya.
Oke. Oke guys, jadi itu aja dari kita, nanti kita kasih tahu deh resultnya gimana. Oke.